Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to turn on and off notification on Zara. If you're using your mobile device, then the process is quite easy. First of all, open the settings app on your Android or iOS. Inside the settings menu, go ahead and look for the notifications option and tap on it. After you open up notifications, scroll down and from the list of applications available, look for Zara. Tap on it and then if you see this button over here grayed out, that means you have turned off the notification setting for the app. If you ever want to turn it on, you can just toggle on the button right next to allow notifications. To turn off the notification, you can simply toggle off the button, and that's how you easily turn on and off notification setting on Zara. That is how it's simply done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.